Hey everybody, this is Dr. Dane. Welcome to this installment of the Tour of Consciousness from lovely Copenhagen. Oh, it's a beautiful day. There are tons of people walking around. One of the beautiful things about summer in Scandinavia is people like to be outside. It's light, it's warm, it's not cold, it's not dark. It's a really cool thing to be around. So, what's the tool for today? Well, let's do this one for a moment. You know that who does this belong to thing, where 98% of your thoughts, feelings, and emotions don't belong to you? Well, guess what? There's sort of a different version of that you can use to start changing the things for where you're doing or being something you don't really want to do or be, something you're not actually enjoying, and something you'd like to change. And it's this. When I'm being this, or when I'm doing this, who am I being? See, from the time we're little kids, we adopt different ways of being that really, basically, if we look at it, actually have nothing to do with us, but we've never realized it. We've never sort of educated ourselves that, hey, you know what? I'm being like my mom was in this situation, or I'm being like my dad was. I worked with a guy the other day, and he used to keep getting angry in all these situations, and I asked him, I said, so who are you being? He went, wow, I'm being my dad. I said, so if you were truly being you, who would you be? And he went, well, I wouldn't get angry. I would look for what else is possible. He's like, I'm a lover, not a fighter. I hate when I get angry. And so any situation that you find yourself reacting in and you feel like you're hating, you know, like not liking yourself, not liking the way that you're being, just ask, who am I being? And then pot and pocket. And then if I were truly being me, who would I be? You could also do who, what, where, when, why, and how would I be, which might even create a greater result. But just for now, if you try this simple thing of when you respond in a way that you don't really like, or when you feel less happy than you know you can be, when you feel less joyful, when you feel less connected with people, just go, who am I being? And if I were truly being me, who would I be? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shirts, boys and beyonds. So, when you get angry, for example, who are you being? Everything that is, will you just run and create it, please? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shirts, boys and beyonds.
What's going on? It's
see,
Copenhagen.
who are these guys being? Who the hell knows? And, you know, that's the beautiful thing about doing the Tour of Consciousness, man. People want to participate. So, when you're doing this, when you're doing this thing you don't like, who are you being? And, you know, I like when people contribute like that. And it's funny because I'd like to, you know, be like, hey, here's what I'm doing, check it out. But, yeah, take far too long to explain. So, when you do something you don't like, who are you being? Everything that is, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. And if you were truly being you in that situation, who would you be? What would you be? Where would you be? When would you be? Why would you be? And how would you be? And everything that doesn't allow that to show up, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Okay, my beautiful friends, thanks for being part of the Tour of Consciousness. I look forward to being with you next time from lovely Copenhagen. Bye-bye for now. Look forward to seeing you in person someday. And what if you, truly being you, are the gift, the change, and the possibility this world requires? Bye.